Which graph is correctly representing the relation between 1 over lambda square and its kinetic energy? For solving this question, first we have to know the equation which is relating the wavelength and the energy, which is nothing but lambda is equal h divided by root of 2m. So from this equation, we can say lambda is directly proportional to 1 over root of e. Again, we can write this expression as lambda square is directly proportional to 1 over e. So from this, we can say the graph that shows the variation of 1 over lambda square, and E will be straight line and which will be passing through the origin. This is because 1 over lambda square is directly proportional to E. Therefore, the graph should be with a positive slope and straight line. So from this, we can say option B given here is having a straight line with a positive slope. So option B will be the correct answer for this question.